So I'm over here at my friend Debra's and we are going to talk about a few things, but we'll be showing her chickens here in a second and her homemade washing machine. Isn't that the cutest pin? Look at that.
What?
Carrot pulp from our morning's juice. Oh, they're so beautiful.
They're good little girls.
Oh,
Girls, that's a Gemma.
oh,
This is Gemma.
oh hi Gemma.
And this is Tippy.
Hi Tippy.
This is Buttercup.
Buttercup.
And this is Daisy.
Oh, they look so healthy.
This is Buffy.
Buffy.
That's Cinnamony.
All the way to the back.
She's never eating these, you do know that. She will never eat these chickens.
Who did I
They're her
miss?
pets.
That's awesome though.
This is that's Chicklet.
And how many do you have?
8.
8.
This is the treasure part of this coop.
Did you have this built or?
I built most of it.
Really?
Yeah.
You're pretty handy.
Got to be a single woman.
Gotta see this.
This is where the magic
This is
happens.
where the magic happens and you gotta
She
partial
put
it.
mustard eggs so
I
they'd
had to
stop
put-
eating them.
because they've been
Golf balls.
eating the eggs.
This
So
is
I had to-
where you have to lay, girls.
Oh, I didn't
cool.
even think about using these mats instead of hay or whatever. That's
Because
awesome.
when
It's a lot
chickens
cleaner.
lay eggs, they stand up,
Right.
and so you have to have something there. Because if you don't, the
Cushion
egg will
will
hit the
break,
ground and
yeah.
it could.
Ah,
So,
okay.
yeah, so that's
Very
why you have
cool.
to have something. Those are really easy. Take them out, you rinse them, shake them
I know
out,
she's
put
got a
them right
sink
back
back
in.
here and a work table and
Yeah, it's a full setup.
so set up.
Yeah.
Set up.
You gotta have it planned and
Yeah, you do.
Locks on
and,
her-
and it's been a process, because everything's a process. You start, you're like, oh my gosh, how am I ever going to get this done? But you do. Eventually, you just chip away, and it turns out to be what you want it to be.
And their little roosting area and the
Yeah.
oh, they're so healthy and happy looking.
oh very.
Aww.
Yeah, they are. Now, some of them have a little bit of the fur or the feathers picked off the back of their heads. And they're just, it's a pecking order.
Yeah, they have to do that some and figure each other out.
And
And
that's Buffy. This is Cinnamony. These two big, these are the couple of the queens. Yeah,
okay.
Girls.
they're very nice, especially
Aw.
Cinnamony. You can pick her up real easy. So they don't really like to be picked up. See, they're pretty chubby and fed, so they're not like going like starving for the.
Right.
They'll,
Oh.
they will eat it up before too long.
Do they do a lot of scratching about the fencing?
Oh,
How
the
you designed
predator.
underneath?
Yeah, it's
So
called a
predators
predator
can't-
apron.
Okay.
So all the way around, you have to do this. You put down some kind of screening, some kind of rack, some kind of anything, all the way around. And then when an animal tries to dig under to get in, they can't because they hit it. They come to here and they dig here, and it comes out 2 feet. So no
Oh.
animal is going to come over
Under
here.
the ground.
To get
So
in there.
it's a literal like
It's called a
circumference.
predator
It's an apron.
Yeah.
Yes.
Flat.
Oh,
to the-
cool.
Then
Cool.
you cover it
Uh huh.
so that you don't see it, but it's under there. Predators cannot dig under. That's how most chicken coops get
Vandalized and
vandalized.
yeah.
Snakes and predators that dig. Now
And I
they're-
love that you use the hardware cloth
I
instead
know,
of the chicken
exactly.
wire.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Nothing can get in here. If it can get in through there,
Yeah.
they're gonna eat it.
Right.
And look at the top. See that top?
Oh,
How I
yeah.
did that? I used flashing, and
Uh-huh.
I just cut it to
Yeah.
the shape of the ridges
They're
on the roof.
very
And,
awesome.
And then I just kind of put some caulking around it, so nothing's getting in.
Look at that, ladies. Y'all can do this.
You totally can.
Y'all can do this.
These are her babies.
They're
They're
gorgeous. I put these
Look at that.
4x
Pretty.
are buried a couple feet into the ground, really deep,
Uh-huh.
several feet, 3 feet maybe. And I just put that on, and then I just started putting these on. And
Very
when
cool.
I built this, it was this wide,
Uh huh.
and then I built another one this wide, and I was like, how am I gonna do this? How am I gonna do this? This is kind of uneven because it's still, So I said, well, I don't need to put another railing here. Just make this blank wire and put it directly to this. Don't put another one, because if I put another one there, it would never fit up against it and always be kind of off.
Yeah.
So it was easy, just put it straight on.
Oh yeah.
Same thing over there. too. And that I was like, oh, yay.
Now, where's their feed? I see the water in the jug with the nipples so that they can get fresh water.
Look, she put shutters on here.
Nipples, and there's your food right there around the front.
Super awesome, guys.
See,
I'm impressed, inspired.
Under the little ladder.
yeah. And you know what? The rain never gets that food wet. The rain, I guess you have this and
Right overhead.
then she goes, now there's Buttercup getting a little nibble.
Oh, that's their food thing?
Yeah.
Very cool. So it's under the run. It keeps it.
Excellent. It keeps it dry. Somehow it just stays dry. And it's important that the food is dry, not moldy and wet or
Mm-hmm.
poopy in it, droppings in it, because, you know, it's got to be good.
We're just going to start with a little bit because, like I said, it's concentrated.
Yeah, tell them what you got there.
And what kind of soap do you have?
This is Costco free and clear, no fragrance, nothing extra. Plain
Sure does suds.
laundry. Yes, it does.
You think that'll be enough?
Super concentrated.
Yeah.
Yes, you can do a whole
Look at
load
it.
with that.
Here's the laundry, guys. This looks like a lot, right? That's a lot of stuff. So we're just going to toss it on in. That's a lot of clothes, guys.
That's phenomenal, though. Look at that.
Look at it
Look how it
go.
turns it.
Do you see the importance of that?
That wide.
Agitator
Yeah.
having to go high?
Have we filled it beyond the
Yeah, we can.
where it comes out?
You know, you almost could. You could, but we'll go ahead and stop it there. When do you want to
Okay.
crank that and go ahead and turn it off? Okay, so here we go. Let's keep this going. Do you see that agitator? Isn't that awesome?
I love it.
And I'm telling you what, that's a lot of clothes in there.
Yeah, it is.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Want me to add the bleach?
Yes, I forgot the bleach. Yeah, I've got a lot of whites in here and some of the things that are not. Go ahead, Lynn.
Okay.
Just go ahead.
Right
Just
in the
about-
middle.
What was that, about a third cup?
half a cup.
Half a cup. Thanks for remembering that. I forgot all. It got a lot of nice caulking around it. And there you go. Get that drained out.
Look at that.
Yeah, and it's fast, you know, it's so fast.
Yeah, less time consuming.
Yeah, for it to come out fast like that. Okay, with the rinse hose. Oh, something got on there.
Just pulling the clothes away from the hole.
Yeah, pull the clothes away.
Oh, that's a
your
good
handle.
reason to keep that handle off like that.
Yeah.
It's time to mow down the cover crop. All this cover crop, it will be mown down on this side, this half of the garden, so that we can get it tilled to get it ready for spring. Check it out, we've got some seedlings coming up, guys. And over here, there's one, but you can see them coming up across the pots there. So what did you guys think about that washing machine? Off-grid, no electricity. Of course it's all manual, but Debra made it all by hand, and I think it's pretty phenomenal. I think it's very useful for those of us who want to have such experience and building projects and just being prepared for the eventuality of no electricity when we need clean clothes and dish cloths and whatever else. Debra has a new channel on YouTube, and as soon as she gets it finalized, I will link it here in this video so that you can get all the details as to how she built it, all the measurements, where she got the supplies, where she got the wringer for the clothes. I did not show the wringer, unfortunately, but you can go over to her channel and see the full assembly and how the wringer works and where she obtained it or purchased it. It's just pretty phenomenal, and I think it's great. Appreciate you guys coming along today with us and following our journey. As always, don't forget to keep smiling. Take care, and we'll see you next time.